Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm here to show you a simple yet incredibly useful trick that will help you plan your day better. It's all about how to check weather forecasts using Google. So to start, open up your web browser and type www.google.com. Once you're on the Google homepage, just type weather followed by the name of the city or location you want to check. Once you hit enter, right at the top you'll see the current weather conditions. But that's not all. Scroll down a bit and you'll find the hourly and 7-day weather forecast. It's like having a very own meteorologist right there to help you plan your outfit, outdoor activities, and even your travel plans. Need to know if you should carry an umbrella? Google's got your back. And that's it. You've just learned how to check weather forecast using Google. It's a quick and reliable way to stay ahead of the weather and make informed decisions. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to check weather forecast using Google. Now you're equipped to take on whatever Mother Nature throws your way. See you on my next video.